Let's master this topic by solving more work examples. So let's look at this one. Find the value of x in the expression. So this expression, the highest common factor of 3 and 27 is 3. So we have 3 to the power 2 x plus 1 all over 3 to the power 3x minus 4 then times 3 to the power 6 minus 7x. Is equal to, so 27 is 3 to the power 3, but there was an x there already, so you get something like this. So this will give us, so for the numerator we have 3 to the power 2x plus 1 all over 3 to the power, we have 3x minus 4 plus 6 minus 7x is equal to 3 to the power 3x. So now let's simplify further. We know this will give us, so this will give us 3 to the power 2x plus 1 all over 3 to the power, we have 3x minus 7x will give us negative 4x. Then we have negative 4 plus 6 will give us positive 2. Is equal to 3 to the power 3x. So the next thing we do now is to simplify this side further. So they are dividing, we write one base which is 3. Then we have 2x plus 1 so we subtract the exponents, we are going to get into bracket negative 4x plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3x. So we simplify this to obtain 3 to the power, we are going to get 2x plus 1. So negative gives us positive, so we get plus 1, then plus 4x, then minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3x. Now we simplify, so we are going to get 3 to the power 2x plus 4x will give us 6x. Then 1 minus 2 will give us negative 1 is equal to 3 to the power 3x. So the bases are the same, so we equate the exponents, so we get 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now we group like terms, so we have 6x minus 3x. 6x minus 3x is equal to positive 1. So we simplify further to obtain 3x. 3x is equal to 1. So dividing both sides by 3, we are going to get x to be equal to 1 over 3. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equal 1 over 3. So we have this. Now this step will lead to a simultaneous equation in x and y. So we take them one by one. So let's take the first part. We have the LCM. The highest common factor of 3, 7, 2, 9 and 9 is 3. So this one is written as 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power 2y is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 6. So we apply the law of indices to get something like this. Now this will give us 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power 2y is equal to 3 to the power negative 6. So we apply the law of indices at the right hand side also to obtain 3 to the power. The bases are the same, so we take one of the bases and add the exponent. 2x plus 2y is equal to 3 to the power negative 6. Now since the bases are the same, we equate the exponent to obtain 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 6. Now dividing through by 2, we are going to get x plus y is equal to negative 3. So we call this equation 1. Equation 1. Now let's take the second part. We have 2 to the power negative x. Then this one is 2 to the power 2. So times 2 to the power 2. But there was a negative y over there already. Then we have 1 over 2 to the power 3. So this will give us 2 to the power negative x plus 2 times negative y is equal to, now this will give us 2 to the power negative 3. So now we equate the exponents, so we are going to get negative x minus 2y is equal to negative 3. So it means dividing through by negative 1, we get x plus 2y is equal to positive 3. So this is our equation 2. Now we can solve equation 2 and equation 3, equation 2 and equation 1 simultaneously. So we have equation 2 minus equation 1. So this implies that x minus s will give us 0, 2y minus y will give us y is equal to, then 3 minus 3 will give us 6. Then we plug in this value over here, so we are going to get x is equal to, from this equation, x will be equal to 3 minus 2y, by y is 6. So we are going to get the x now to be equal to 3 minus 12, which is negative 9. If 2 to the power x equal y, find 2 to the power 2 plus x over 3. Now to do that, we just need to simplify this over here. So this will give us 2 to the power 2, then times 2 to the power x over 3. So we are applying the loss. So this is the same as 4. This is the same as 4. Then we have 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power x times 1 over 3. Now this can be rewritten as 4 times 2 to the power x all to the power 1 over 3 from the laws of indices. So we know this will give us 4 2 to the power x is equal to y to the power 1 over 3. So the correct answer is A. So 2 to the power 3 will give us 8, but there was x plus 1 over there already. Then it's equal to 1 over 2 to the power 2. And we know this will give us 2. So 1 is over everything. This will give us 2 to the power 3 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to, now use that law which says that, so we write this as 2 to the power negative 2. So we now equate the exponents to obtain 3x, 3 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. So expanding the bracket, we get 3x plus 3 is equal to negative 2. So we are going to get something like this. So dividing both sides by 3, we are going to get x to be equal to negative 5 over 3. Now negative 5 over 3, so the answer is A.